Good afternoon. I am Dr. Dipanjan Haldar, consultant hematology, hemato-oncology and bone marrow transplant at Jupiter Hospital. September is a blood cancer awareness month, and that is why we are doing this program to raise awareness among the general public about blood cancer. So blood cancer, as you hear the name itself sounds scary, but I just want to allay your fear about blood cancer because most of the cancers to today's date are very good outcome and prognosis. So just today I'll be speaking about some of the symptoms of blood cancer. So the symptom of blood cancer are often something which can be very common and which we might just ignore. For example, anemia or low hemoglobin level can be one of the symptom of blood cancer, wherein the patient might just experience increased fatigue, tiredness, headache, lightheadedness. So these symptoms we might just ignore, but often this can be a sign of underlying blood cancer besides many other things also, for example iron deficiency, B12 deficiency, so on and so forth. The second symptom can be low platelet count leading to bleeding symptoms. The bleeding can be from anywhere, for example nose bleed. For the females it can be increased bleeding during the periods. It can be just bleeding spots on the skin as well. The third symptom can be weight loss. So many times the blood cancer patients, they can have progressively increasing weight loss over months. And besides this, there are certain symptoms, for example presence of any glands, that is increased lymph nodes, or what we in Hindi called as guilty. So if these are there, I suggest you to see your hematologist or at least your general physician and get the basic blood test, that is complete blood count, which is the most common blood test done. So at least get it done, and if there are abnormalities, it is always advisable to go and consult to an expert hematologist. Thank you.